Hello, it's Alex, and I've still got a bad back. But I've made it over here to Mike's.
Hello.
And I'm in he's here fishing.
It's a lie. It's a vicious rumour. They've got nothing on me. I didn't do it. Nobody saw me do it. You can't prove a thing. Or maybe slightly.
Yeah, this is an ultrasonic cleaner. Is that what it's called?
Ultrasonic, yeah.
Ultrasonic, yeah.
Apparently it's ultra.
Ultra, very ultra. That's you all over, isn't it, Mike? Oh.
No, this is me all over.
I think it's all over.
It is now.
It is Mike. Yeah, he's cleaning all the metal bits. I cleaned all my plastic bits. But Mike hasn't cleaned all my metal bits yet.
I have now.
You have now?
Technically.
Hey. Although we got a slight issue of when I was a kid, I, for some reason, enjoyed painting things, and I painted my drive shafts and things, so I'm going to try and get some of this old paint off. You got all the gears somewhere? There they are. So all the gears, not cogs, you told me off for that. The gears all need to be cleaned,
You don't get a
and the bearings, they're there, they're going to be cleaned. Yeah, what else is going on here?
Oh yeah, new radio. You've got new. Tell them about your new radio.
I will.
And that you've put it all in and it's all reasonably neat and tidy.
Come with me. So,
How the other way?
so all those bits Mike's cleaning is for my Range Rover that's non-existent.
Oh no!
Bless you, Father.
Oh,
Sit
God.
you down.
We've got bogies. They're heading south.
Oh no! Get a tissue.
Bless you.
Yeah, my Range Rover's non-existent because this is now my Range Rover. This
Ooh, what
plastic.
do we have in here? Coffee.
You for coffee?
You for coffee. No, you for tea. Me for coffee.
So that's my Range Rover plastic bits. Mike's got the Range Rover metal bits.
Oh, tell me about your new radios.
Yeah,
and stuff.
I know. I'm
And
telling
you got
them.
servos as well.
Oh yeah.
Woo.
Exciting, isn't it? But yeah, that's the Range Rover anyway. And this is the Rover P4.
That's all the plastic bits.
And I got a new, what do you call this? Controller?
Yes.
Yeah. A new, that's just silly, isn't it? What do you call this?
Yes.
Controller, the little flicky aerial.
Transmitter, 2-channel.
It's 3-channel. Well, this
Two-
isn't. This is
2-channel.
2-channel.
We could potentially make it 4-channel. Because reasons.
So I got this quite cheap off of eBay. But it's a decent thing, I think. I hope.
It's alright.
It's alright. It does the job.
It's an entry level, slightly older one, but it's perfect for what we need.
But it's the newer version of radio gear, unlike my old version that we used last time. So there's no pulley up aerial, it's just this floppy thing. And the aerial in the car now is just this, and that doesn't have to be external, does it?
Oh, it could be sat inside, yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be out. And then the little receiver is tiny down there. I've tucked it away, I've tidied it up a bit. So the receiver is taped in there. And there's the aerial for it. And then I've tidied the wires up with this stuff here. I did stick that on there, but it's fell off. Never mind. We got to get a cover for the gearbox on this because it's a bit exposed. What else have we got to do to this chassis? Anything?
Not a great
That's it, isn't
deal.
it?
Yeah, I think it's pretty much there now.
Yeah, the chassis there. We just got to
I've got to get a cover for the gearbox.
yeah, cover for the gearbox. And yeah, just the shell then, isn't it?
Yep.
Exciting times, but it all works, and it came with 3 random servos that don't match. This one's extremely noisy, and this one's extremely heavy duty. It's got metal gears in it apparently, other than plastic, so we'll probably put this in the Range Rover chassis.
Yeah, for the steering, because it's 10 kilo.
It's 10 kilo apparently, whereas the normal ones are what, 2 point something?
2.5 to 3 kilo.
And this one's nice, it's a nice quiet one, so that's handy, but yeah, that one's so noisy, it's ridiculous. Ridiculous, yeah. Oh, and we're waiting for well, technically we are waiting for fish and chips because we're waiting for your fish and my chips.
Yes.
So, what else have we got going on? Chocolate waffles. very important. Yeah, and then we'll probably build the Range Rover chassis back up a bit, maybe.
Yeah. Well, at least we get a gearbox together or something.
Yeah, but I've got to be careful because my back's bad. I can't sit too long. I can't stand too long. I can't walk too long. Yeah, I can't do anything too long. It's very annoying.
Anything with long in it, really.
Yeah, anything long. Just stand around watching a man work, you know. Oh yeah, we didn't look at the diffs, did we?
No.
Ooh. I started cleaning the drive shafts and then I remembered, or Mike remembered that they're all knackered, so I need to get some new drive shafts. And we can look inside the diff. Ta-da!
Shims on the outside for the
Shim
faceplate.
shimmy, shim shimmy,
outer gear.
shim shimmy.
The planetary gears in
Let's
there.
have a little zoom in. Not that this camera zooms very well, but there's the inside of the differential there. Spinny. They feel nice and smooth actually.
They will. They should do. There you go, there's the little planetary gears there. So they go around.
Yeah.
Exactly the same way as the big ones. Last lot was pretty filthy. You might get a weird noise on the camera.
Yeah, very weird. Oh, I don't like that noise. Oh, you can just about see some movement around there. I think my friend Tony said something about like if you left your fingers in there it would vibrate your bones to dust or something.
Yeah, doesn't work like that.
I can't remember what he said now, but
Yeah, it won't work out.
because you can put your finger in there now, can't you?
Yeah, it's fine up, see?
Can you feel anything?
No, not a thing.
Oh, weird.
You won't because the frequency is too high and your skin's moving around with it.
Oh.
It'll probably clean your finger, but yeah, it's not going to rot it off.
I'm hooking you into my bra. There we go. You're a bit wobbly. Very wobbly actually. So there's my controller.
There you go. Balls.
Thanks. I'm balancing you here. So controller on, battery in. Switch that on. Oh my god, it's yeeting! There we go. So that's just proved the importance of turning the controller on first.
Yes.
Because if I'd turned that on and it was on the floor and this wasn't on, it would have yeeted into the distance. So there we are. New controller in action. Oh yeah, I forgot it was front wheel drive. I'm looking at the back wheels waiting for them to turn.
Hang on.
Whee! Oh, that was the box, wasn't it?
You might want to limit the steering a bit. So that the big dial on the top.
Yeah.
Right. So pull the steering hard over.
Any angle.
Any direction, yeah.
Yeah.
Right, now start to turn the dial till it starts to come in and you hear that noise start to disappear.
Oh yeah. Oh, I see. So you got that little bit of adjustment. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's just a tiny bit of adjustment to.
Yeah.
If it's like fouling on the bodywork, you can just
basically
move it a bit.
That's what's known as jaw rates. So it'll limit the travel from the movement of the stick that you do. So turn it down a bit. Bit more. Bit more. Stop. That's about spot on.
Nice.
And then, because otherwise, if it's too far, the servo will struggle and you hear it go, and it's trying to fucking break the
force it.
The thing.
Cool. Right.
It's going in the right direction. It's all set.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
All right. Interesting. You put full throttle on.
Yeah.
Right. I've got it then. That's got fail safe. Hopefully. Right, full throttle. Turn the transmitter off. Yeah, hold the throttle on.
Yeah.
Turn it off. Fail safe.
Oh.
So if the transmitter goes flat or it goes out of range.
Yeah. Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah.
It'll just die. Why is it starting off when you switch it on? Why does it start going?
Probably because you had your finger on this.
No, I wasn't touching.
Alright, turn it on then. So.
Off. On. So just this.
Oh yeah, that needs to be.
Oh! Hang on. This one's it. Oh, wrong way. Was that a signal to say the food's ready?
Yeah. We won't do it on there, we'll actually do it on the speed controller.
Oh, can you?
Yeah, so that's in the centre.
Yeah.
So on, turn that on, and then it's. So that's setting for.
This is all very technical. Dirty hole, look. There's dirt in that tube. Ugh. Mike's putting the rave music on. Oh, this hole is dirty.
It is.
You need to clean it out. Nah, that's too dirty. Re-clean. I demand a re-clean. Here you go. You can listen to some of the music we listen to in the shed. Oh, I can't do that too much. I hurt my back. And I can't play too much because I get copyrighted. It took forever to clean these blooming gears, and I will make sure I call them gears and not cogs because Mike gets upset. We've rebuilt. Oh, he's playing music. Get copyrighted. We filled the diffs up with grease. Put them back together so they're ready to go. And Mike's been putting the bearings back into the gears. Yeah, it's all coming together. We should get one gearbox back together tonight.
Yes.
Who needs manuals on how it goes together? Look at that. All moving freely, all greased up. Nice. They'll be like, she ain't got a bad back. Fucking have. This is exercise.
This is just the amount of painkillers and the fact that if she stays still for too long, her back seizes up. So
yeah,
it's like...
I gotta keep it moving. OMG. It works. Woo! It's going faster. I got best say goodbye, haven't I? My arse is hanging out. I have deep freezed my back for the 5th time tonight, and it's now time to go home and rest. Yeah, I've left all my stuff here. There's plenty more to do, but I think it was a good job we done today.
Yeah, we got the major parts done, so the gearboxes are all done now. Well, I say cleaned up, so...
Yes.
Okay.
Forward progress.
Yeah, now it's ordering some parts that we definitely need.
Drive shafts.
And then we can put the rest of it together. And then we've got to work on the body itself, reconditioning that. That's going to be fun. Yeah. I found one of your rear view mirrors the other day.
Oh, did you? Thanks. Right, I'm going home. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Oh.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.